Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And today I have these cleaning products in front of me that I have never used before. And this one is Absolute Force, which is a cleaner and degreaser. It says right here on the bottle. And then I have this Nitro Force, which it says it's an electronic cleaner. Which is kind of weird because it says Nitro Force, but it says electronics. I don't know. But I think this is supposed to be like kind of like brake clean, I'm guessing. And then this one's kind of like just a regular degreaser. And if you guys have watched some of my past videos, that's basically what I use to clean my RC cars is brake clean and degreaser. And brake clean can be a little harsh on the plastics. So I wanted to try this stuff. I was at my local hobby shop and I saw this and I've never used it before, so I decided to pick some up and try it out. And yeah, so in the last video I took my XTM accelerator out and I got it really dirty. So you guys can see here, this thing is filthy. So today I'm gonna go through this car with these products, clean it all up, see how these products do, and see if I'll be sticking to these products or just going back to brake clean and degreaser, regular degreaser. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you can see here, it got the car pretty clean. I didn't go too in depth with like the cleaning. I just kind of did surface cleaning. I didn't go too in depth with it, but this stuff works pretty good. The degreaser works pretty good. I just sprayed it on, scrubbed it, and then kind of knocked all the stuff off with the Nitro Force. I kind of used most of this already because I cleaned the whole car. But as you can see, you know, it got it pretty clean without a lot of effort, you know. It didn't take, like, I didn't have to scrub very hard. But I like this stuff. I like it because it takes the stuff off like brake clean, but it's not as harsh. It is a little more expensive, but I think it's kind of worth it. So I think I'll definitely be using this stuff more instead of like brake clean. Because it won't mess up the plastics, but it does take off the stuff like the brake clean. So I really like this stuff, you know. I definitely recommend it. I didn't use too much of this, so this will definitely last me a while. This, you know, I'll obviously go through a few bottles, but this will definitely last me a while. But yeah, I got it super clean. I like the way it came out. It came out perfect. No negative things to say about this stuff. So I will definitely be picking up some more of this stuff. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I just wanted to test these out with you guys and show you guys how they perform, because I've never used them before, and I don't know if any of you guys have used them. Some of you probably have used this stuff, but I've never used it before. But yeah, I definitely will be using this stuff more often. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.